It's gonna be fine.
Cuts.
It's on.
I know.
I got that.
But you can edit it.
Bloopers.
Whatever. You can edit it. Edit.
Alright guys, so today we're doing a second pour with the colors that my husband picked out for the last pour we did. But this time I'm teaching him how to do a flip cup pour. So, let's get into it. What? She's in the box. Let her be in the box. Callie likes the box.
She's in the box, on a box.
Okay. So pretty much, take this. Now in any order, I would try to avoid touching the yellow and the purple. But just pour them in this cup. You could do all color at once, or you could do like a little white, a little purple, a little, you know what I mean?
I'm going to do all color at once.
Okay. Just like 4 big chunks?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
A little chunky.
Probably should have stirred that.
Probably. Do you want me to stir it in the cup?
Oh, actually, I was just about to say that. Here, I'll do that. And you stir up some of the other colors.
Okay.
And then we want to scrape all this paint out, okay?
Okay.
We don't waste paint here. What?
So I was buying more. They're on sale.
I know, that was a good sale. I wonder what else is on sale.
Like the whole store looked like it was.
Got any yarn on sale?
Oh man, we should have looked.
We should have actually.
Yeah.
Because I really need some mint yarn. Because I have a design or something I'm planning on doing for the house.
You still haven't made me my Full Metal Alchemist head, so you know.
No, I'm planning on
You should make a video for that.
yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, I figured when it starts getting more fall time, knitting videos will be really in again. They're not really in right now. You gonna need that popsicle stick. Because you're gonna need to just scratch all that white out. Because we ain't wasting all that.
Alright, I think that's about all I'm getting out. I'm making a mess, so.
Oh, okay. Move this over to the side. But yeah, no,
Do you want to pour the
I think, yeah, I can, or do you want to? You know, we've gone like back and forth about what we're going to do about curtains for the kitchen. Because of that weird one above the,
That'll be interesting.
And I've decided that mint, it should be mint. Because the walls are gray, mint goes good with gray, okay?
Okay.
The cabinets are like that weird browny orangey color. Mint will look good with that. I feel like mint's a very neutral color because it doesn't play on either.
Yeah.
Like it's not gray tone and it's not like brown tone. But not like physically knit. It was going to be more of like crochet. But that's what I was thinking because I can actually hand make them to the length of those windows. How cool is that?
That is cool. It's very, very cool.
So actually, we really probably should have looked at the whatchamacallit while we were there.
And we can always go back.
Because of the yarn. Okay. Hope we have enough paint in here.
I'm sure we will. I tried to separate them the most.
Yeah, I mean, it's not a lot you could do. It should be fine.
It seems like as I'm pouring, the color's sinking in.
They do. No. Okay. And now, grab your cup. Oh, actually, here, try to keep it in frame. Okay? And then take this, place it the center over it. Now put a hand here. And put a hand on, like try to, and flip. Flip, you don't have to go fast, just not slow. And now, boom. Let go, let go, let go. Yeah. And now just give it a minute to fall. And pick it up. And then you can just kind of wipe it. Don't let it, I wouldn't let it drip. Okay. But you can wipe the excess on the edges. Because it'll help flow. You know what I mean? Boom. What? No, it doesn't, baby. It's going to look good. Just wait. Just watch. Okay, now pick it up and just move it how you want to move it. Just make sure you keep it in frame.
Does it run off okay?
Yeah, no, it's supposed to run off. That's why this is covered in paint. You missed that corner.
Oh, that actually made it look cooler.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Yeah.
Yeah? Can I place it down on there?
I know. I wouldn't.
Okay.
Up. Boom. And that's a flip cup.
Cool.
But isn't that crazy? Same colors.
Yeah.
Look how different
completely
they
different
are.
results. That's cool.
All right. Beautiful.
Very easy techniques.
Oh yeah, flip cup is the easiest to do and make something good.
I'm just a master, right? An artisan.
You look at you, you're so excited. I love you. Okay, you gonna say it again?
No, you say it. I said it in the last
You
video.
say it.
I said it in the last
You
video.
say it. That's the point. You're my guest star. Like, all right, guys, that's another acrylic pour done.
Alright, guys, that's another acrylic pour done.
What?
Guys, it's another acrylic pour done. Yeah, that kind of level it out. Alright, guys, it's another acrylic pour done. That was good.
That was a good one.